Hello, I'm Paul Hartley, project managing the build of the anaerobic digester plant for ECO. It's now the 16th of May 2025, and as you can see, we're progressing well on site here. We have two of the main digester tanks completed, and the end storage tank here is almost complete. It just needs to be clad around the outside. We're also doing well with all the concreting works inside, so we're standing on now what is the desulfurization base, which is going to be a sort of large, sort of narrow tank that takes out the sulfur from the gas. Just over there is where the pasteurization building will go, and that slab's going to be poured next week. All around the whole area, we're building the bund wall, which is there to contain all the digestate in case there is a leak, which hopefully will never happen. Two main tanks, they are 5,000 cubic meters each. They're now going through their leak test. Assuming they pass the leak test, then they're considered complete and finished. We'll just be waiting to pipe everything up and connect everything together, and then we start filling it with digestate and hopefully producing gas in the near future. Right, here we are inside one of the tanks. This is actually the end storage tank, so it's not the same as the other two, but a lot of it is. So you've still got the heating coils around the edge, which you have in all the tanks. And you have these submersible mixers, which can be controlled directionally and go up and down. And then you have the roof, which is where the gas gets stored. So as the gas builds up, the roof membrane actually lifts, and that's where your gas storage is. These tanks are 5,000 meter cube storage capacity, and when the whole plant is fully operational, it should be producing 800 meters cube of gas an hour. Okay, so we're now standing in what will be the food barn. In the food barn here is where all your food waste gets brought from the lorries that collect it all. It gets tipped up in hoppers inside the feed barn, and then it's going to go into this pit. So what you see here, it's going to be a 6 meter deep pit, but if we just dug that out now, we just fill with water immediately. So we've had to do a secant piling method, which is what we've started doing.